This green one here, it's missing the wheels. I had to take the wheels off and put it on this large gray one, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Hey guys, if you have some of these old hard shell Samsonite suitcases, I think they're from the early 70s, that's what she says, and you have busted wheel, first of all, if you know where to get the wheels for these, can you leave a comment and a link down below? If it's affiliate link, we'll buy through it. We only found them on eBay. I'm going to take the wheels off of this green one and put it on the large gray one. Open up the suitcase. First, we're going to go ahead and take the wheels off the green one. You're going to need a Torx. Just figure out what size you're going to need, and then go ahead and go in here, take these two screws out, take these two screws out, and your wheel will pop off. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's the wheel. This piece goes up underneath, and then the screw goes from the inside of the suitcase down. Here's the other one. So here is where the screws go on the inside. This is what the wheel looks like after you take it off, or order yours from eBay, or if you can find them on Amazon. Put the link down below for anybody else, because we couldn't find them. These two holes here are for a little knobby on the other side to hold this in place, and then these are your two screw holes. So here's your knobby, and it's going to go in one of these two holes. So you get it lined up, you heard it snap in, I hope. And then you come back around this side, go from the inside out, get your screw, just put it through one of those holes. And if you have the wheel in the right position, it'll go right into the screw hole. Very simple repair if you can find the wheel. And that's it. You know, the screws are nice and tight. You don't have any lining inside to deal with on these. You just go in, you put your two screws in here. Now your wheels are done. There's your new wheels. Works just fine. She's got a nice matching set now. These things protect everything. That's why she likes them so much. Nothing inside these is going to get damaged. So do me a favor, guys. I'm really working hard at this channel. If you got anything out of this video, can you give me the thumbs up down below? Tickle that like button for me, and you know, leave a comment, or like I said, if you know where to get these wheels, go ahead and leave us the link. For me, for anybody else who might still have these old suitcases, because you're not really going to do any damage to these. She's had a latch repaired, and she's repaired the wheels a couple times. And that's it. These things are tough. They're tanks. Thanks for stopping by and watching. And it's Friday today, so have an enjoyable weekend. See you on the next one.